Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now I have to scroll down, find and pick biometrics and security, and then go to other security settings. Here you will notice clear credentials is under credential storage. There you will find it. Just click on it, and if you truly want to remove all the contents, all the certificates, tap on OK. Now enter your PIN code if you have one, or maybe pattern, whatever you have as a screen protection. And that's it. As you can see, credential storage has been cleared, so that would be all. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.